Our lead story tonight, a special NDTV analysis on where India stands state by state against coronavirus. Vishnu, what's the details we have?
Well, is India winning the coronavirus war? That's what everybody wants to know. Let's focus on what's called the R factor. Now, R stands for reproduction rate. It measures how infectious the coronavirus is. Now, put simply, it's a measure of how many people are infected by one infected person. Now, it's crucially important to ensure that R falls below 1. It's only then that the pandemic slowly fades away. So how is India doing? We've broken this up into 3 broad categories. The first category, successful states. So in terms of successful states, these are states that have so far been successful in the war against the pandemic, where the R rate shows a declining trend. Now, 10 of the largest states in India have shown encouraging signs, with the R showing a declining trend. The R has in fact dropped below 1. The first target for all nations in Gujarat, Jharkhand and Jammu and Kashmir, but quite clearly the battle is not over. Now, there are some worrying signs in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh that the encouraging downward trend of R may in fact have halted. Now, moving on, there are urgent measures which are needed to ensure that the entire momentum from earlier is not lost. So let's now focus on states with signs of a new spike. States which have so far been successful in the war against the pandemic, but where there may be signs of a possible new spike. In 6 of the largest states of India, there are some indicators of a new spike or a surge in the spread of the coronavirus. Perhaps the biggest worry, Assam and Chhattisgarh, both states had brought R down to under 1. But in the last fortnight, the level of R has gone up to an unacceptably high 1.3. Now, Delhi has been the most successful state in flattening the curve. It's on your top of your screen. But there's a significant new trend that is quite revealing. While the level of R in Delhi is still low, there's been a rise in R from 0.75 to 1.05 in the span of just 2 weeks. One of the most successful other states in combating coronavirus is Tamil Nadu. Like Delhi, there's been a worry, an uptick in R recently, and while the level is still around 1, the rising trend, bottom right-hand side of your screen, that is disturbing. Which brings us to the least successful states. States which have been the least successful, where the R factor is high. Perhaps the 2 most worrying states in India are Bihar, where the R doesn't appear to be under control at all, with the R rate unacceptably high to the top left-hand side on the graphic, in Punjab next to it, which 2 months ago had somewhat controlled the virus, but now the R rate indicates that the virus could spread again rapidly. West Bengal is not as serious. It just about falls into this category because there appears to be a huge surge which has taken R levels to where major policy action is called for. But India's largest state, Uttar Pradesh, has had a consistently high R, and the virus has been spreading rapidly. Fortunately, there's been a recent downturn, but the overall levels are high, which brings us to the final point, the all India picture in India. Now, this average R indicates that contrary to the widely held view that the virus is out of control in India, in fact, R indicates that the situation is indeed improving. However, there is no room for complacency. The war is still on against the coronavirus. Be aware of new spikes, and remember, you see that red bar? That's where we need to be, under that, under 1.0, for us to say that, look, it appears we are winning this.